Okay, we'll speak to the player.
Hello there. Hi. All very good. Thank you for being here. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm Calogero.
Calogero.
Calogero. Division.
Okay.
Only 23% here.
Okay.
We'll go to the meeting room. Just follow me.
Why do we think it's important? Because in our opinion, SGS has an important role of quality and quantity during trade, and also by certifying products, processes, a segment where we do electric and electronic testing. But
It's very much in my local area. So what do you have there?
We have a health laboratory where we offer service, relieving that sustainability is really or should be an integral part. Consumers, customers do not realize how much effort is made.
What regards electrical product standardization started in 1906 for electrical product. We saw that there were problems of electrocution or fire or these kind of things, overheating and so on. Then electricity and worse because during the test, certainly some wiring inside were damaged and caused some arcing, and then
so you were flexing.
Yes. The distance between what you can touch and the dangerous part were too short. There are some requirements on that, and they were too short. And then the distances are not correct between the dangerous part and what you can touch, because this part is accessible. And you can touch and you can connect whatever. It was at the time the fuse was very important because it can prevent fires. Installation were not protected by fuse in the city. Then we have the samples coming here. The trucks are bringing samples. The samples are stored here. They receive a date. First of all, and then we'll go to see some tests. We will see what we call dust protection. Then some products which are going outside, which are installed outside, outdoor, or isolation. This is kind of, then of course need to be cleaned up. Then we have some equipment which are grade 3 or 4. This means they are simulating the rain. We do with these hoops. And here we will demonstrate. This one. Yes, that one. Remove all the water and open the
dry it fully outside. And then lift
It simulates falls. It's there, and then falling down on this wood plate, you know.
After the fall, what are you checking then?
Not access to life.
No access to live
part.
Then it's not broken, and you can put a finger or access to it.
Hi, thank you. Good to meet you. Good to meet you.
And it's preparing some cables, electrical cables for fire testing.
We had to make a test at low temperature because this conduit is certified to be used up to -5 degrees.
Isolation by direct test, we need to submit a sample to, you see here, 48 hours. Then here we have also luminaire. See, it's a room which is at 35 degrees. What we call in the standardization. There are many standardization committees. They participate at international level of European level or national level, I guess.
The measurement. Yeah.
You see what I explained to you?
Okay.
Of course, in complex products, it can be a bit complex to measure all these distances. Hair dryer product.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they're very good.
This would be operating, of course, with some weight, and then the angle is specified and the number of cycles should be submitted to 10,000 cycles.
And what they're really testing here is this part, yeah?
Yes.
It's that area, the connection.
And you see that the manufacturer is making some special...
What's the checking there now?
We check if the product doesn't become unsafe.
Every time it sits back, yeah. So 10,000?
Yes, 10,000 with current and 10,000 without current.
Right.
Here we have another kind of test, which is what we call the glow wire test. You see this wires current circulating, and then the temperature. Here we have almost 850.
And what's the product that you're
plastic.
here?
Plastic.
Oh, plastic.
Then you can have plastic of enclosures.
So we hit start.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have here to adjust the flow according to the standard. You have a certain aim. The Bunsen is normalized, and all the cable burn. The cable, the test is failed.
Yeah. Your work really matters, making a very important difference. And on behalf of IGG and the services and the whole commission, I just want to say thank you